Hello everyone. So if you want to create a Google Play Store account on your Android phone, here's how to do that. So basically, Play Store account is a Google account. So right now we're gonna be creating both of them. Let's open up our Play Store. It's pre-installed on all of the Android devices, so I'm pretty sure you'll have it. Let's press sign in. Let's verify our identity and scan our password on our phone, and let's press create account. Now choose who you want to create it for, your child, for my work or my business or your personal use. So choose the desired option. I'm gonna choose for my personal use. Now we gotta enter our name. So enter your name or your improvised name. Great, let's press next. Now let's enter your birthday and your gender. And enter your birthday. Press next. Now we gotta use an email address or a phone number. Or if you don't have it and you want to create a new email for this account, simply press don't have email address or phone number. Now we can create our own Gmail address or choose from the following variants. I'm gonna create my own. So simply enter the desired naming and press next. Now create a strong password. So it's gotta be a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Press next. Now, if you want to, you can add a phone number just for in the sake of sakeness and double verification. I'll skip it for now, but if you're creating it for yourself and for a constant and prolonged use, I recommend you to do it. It's worth it. Now, review your account info. If everything matches, simply press next. Now, choose how you want to log in and choose your settings. I'm gonna choose in one step because all of them pretty much implied in this one step. You can rearrange them later, and we have videos on that as well. So let's accept all. That's what we need to create an account. Confirm your settings, press confirm. Here is privacy terms, go through them, press I agree, if you agree with them, of course. So here are Google services. You can use your backup if you want to. I'll press accept. Backup up is a nice setting, and let's accept terms of use as well. So here's our Google Play. Press get started. Press I'm in if you want to. If you want to receive any kind of offers, I'll press I'm in, because why not? And basically that's it. So you've added up your account. Here are some advertisements from Google Play Store. I'll pay no thanks. Let's tap on our account icon. And here's our account information. And basically we are in and we created a new account. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.